Hello, my dear students, class 8. How are you? Welcome to our Katiyat High School virtual classroom. Now I am meeting you again. Last week I was discussed about English grammar in a point. So after a week we meet together again. Students, our information we deliver our information to others and we write some information on notebook, but all the information are supplying by us, but all the information is not clear when you will not remain any pause. So I have to need some pause among your information. Every information will be clear when you will stay any pause in information. So what will you do for that? Students, can you tell me about them? Suppose in English we write something on our notebook, white board or any paper. So in sometimes we shall stop there. Why it is? Can you tell me? Actually we stop for our better understanding. When we express our emotion, our information to others, and for better understanding we should put there some stopping mark there. What are they? Can you tell me? Suppose this is comma. Why should we use this comma? For better understanding. So students, now our discussing lesson about punctuation and marks. Punctuation, marks. Students, there are no hard and fast rules about punctuation, but there are some good style guidelines. This is a list of 10 most commonly used punctuation marks and a guide to their use. Suppose we use one, this is called comma, full stop, full stop, full stop, question mark, exclamation mark, quote marks or quotation marks or inverted commas, colon, this is colon, semicolon, semicolon and apostrophe. We use all these punctuation marks for our better understanding. Why do we use comma? We use commas to separate independent clauses in a sentence. For example, yesterday I went to the local stadium to watch the football match between Shobuj Sangha and Torun Club. It was an interesting match. The game was over. I put here a comma, but the crowd refused to leave. Use comma after introductory words such as yes, however, and well. For example, John tells, "Do you like going to party?" But, well, I use it a comma. It depends. I don't like big gathering. Okay, my dear student, use a pair of commas to separate additional information from the main body of the sentence. For example, Shakib Al Hasan, renowned cricket player, is from Magura. Here in this line we used a comma. Use serial comma to separate all items in a list. For example, I love apples, pears and oranges. Serially I used here comma after apples, pears and oranges. Note the comma after pears. Use commas to separate all geographical names, items in dates except the month and date, addresses except the street number and name, and titles in names. For example, my father is from Goranandi, Borishal. Occasionally, you will see a comma between a house number and a street. And now I am discussing about full stop. When we use full stop, the primary use of a period is to end a sentence. We use full stop after the end of the sentence. Its second important use is for abbreviations. Every abbreviation we use comma. If an abbreviated phrase is pronounced, we do not include periods. Okay, my dear students, the question mark. Now I am discussing about question mark. The question mark is a fairly easy punctuation mark to use. It has only one use. It goes at the end of a sentence, which is question. Suppose, what time is the English class? What time is the English class? At 11:15. After the maths class. Okay, my dear students. Now I am discussing about the exclamation mark. This is called exclamation mark. Only use this when issuing a command or speaking forcefully. As in the case of the question mark, do not follow this with a period and do not combine it with other punctuation marks. Only one exclamation mark is enough. 2 or 3 exclamation marks in a row is completely unnecessary. For example, this is completely unbelievable. After unbelievable, I used here an exclamation mark. And now the quote marks or quotation marks or inverted commas. It is called quote marks, quotation marks or inverted commas. Quotation marks are used to quote another person's words exactly. When any person quote any words exactly, it will be between the quote marks, whether they be spoken or written. Suppose, what did John exactly say to you, Mimu? John said, we are going shopping because we have no milk. From we and the end milk, this sentence we are closed within quotation marks. Students, now I am discussing about the colon. Actually, a colon should be used after a complete statement. When you will say any statement completely, then you will use a colon in order to introduce one or more directly related ideas, your information, such as a series of directions, a list or a quotation. or other comment illustrating or explaining the statement. For example, the daily newspaper contains 4 sections. Here I used a colon. Suppose news, sports, entertainment and classified as. These 4 items, for these 4 items I used here colon. So now I am discussing about semicolon. This is called semicolon. This is called semicolon. The semicolon is used to separate item is a series if the elements of the series already include commas. For example, a group of students are going to perform today during the break time. The group includes Neela, guitarist, Tanmoy, table player, Shom, keyboard player, and Lima, dramist. This, for all these names are used here the semicolon. They all are some promising students of this school. Students are asked to come to the school auditorium to enjoy their performance. So I used here the semicolon. And the last item my is semicolon or apostrophe. This is called apostrophe. The apostrophe has 3 uses: to form possessive of nouns to show the omissions of letters, to indicate certain plurals of lowercase letters. Suppose forming possessives, the boy's name is Litu. Here the boys, I used here boys, used here a apostrophe. This is called apostrophe on top of the line. So students, I hope you have understood my information. So now I am giving you an activity for, this is the page number 78. This is your home task or assignment forming plurals. Select the correctly punctuated sentence from the multiple choice below. Activity 1. You will do this on your notebook at your reading room, the house. So much for the day. Thank you for your cooperation. See you next class. Okay. Stay safe and healthy. Don't go out without wearing any masks. I hope you will stay to your home. So thank you all.